The first year of your investment is usually wiped out in your taxes. If you're paying 6% of stamp duty, you're paying 30,000 rupees in registration, you are paying GST amount on that. So the first 11% of your 10% expectation is wiped out. In today's date, you can look in a 3-year period, 150% improvement in your investment.
150%?
From the time you invest in the beginning till the time you sell. This is on a very conservative. So if you put 5 crores in a property at the time of launch, you should be making 7.5 crores at the time of sale. So that is 50% on your 5 crores. So you should be able to sell that property at 7.5 crores.
Is that still happening in Mumbai right now?
Yeah, very much so.
That is insane. Which means, does this make real estate the most lucrative investment possible in Mumbai then?
It makes it one of the most real investments that you can do. See,
What do you mean by that real investment?
It is tangible. You can see it, you can feel it, you can touch it. Gold also nowadays, you can't keep 5 crores worth of gold in your house. You're buying some kind of a online transaction on gold. Your stocks, your bonds, your mutual funds, everything is intangible. Everything is on a screen. But here, this is something which is tangible. This wood is tangible.
Yeah.
It's something you can touch and feel. And tomorrow, if you don't get that 50%, let's catch a worst case scenario. If you are not able to get that price of 50% appreciation, you can still rent that property out. You can still hold on to it. You can still sustain with that rental income coming from the property. It's 2%, it's 3%. It's a residential property. It's commercial, you're looking at 6%. That means at 5 crores, you are making 30 lakh rupees rental annual at least.